might argue on those 4 things na sinabi ni Coach Miranda. No, yung 4 na sinabi natin, unang-una, where are we on the structure? Malayo pa, pero pa-breakout. Pag nag-breakout ng 82, kalahati, pwede pa tayong umakyat. Then there could be sustained bullishness. Pangalawa, who's buying the move? It's a mixed bag. You have people liquidated on shorts, 4 billion. Pangalawa, couple of billion, no, in Bitcoin ETF. Maganda yan. May liquidity. Pangatlo, Bitcoin dominance is still pumping. That means this is not a bull run across all of crypto. This is now becoming a Bitcoin bull plus tokenized equities. That's my point on this live. Kamiranda, I'm seeing a pivot on this particular market. Pansinin niyo mabuti. Bitcoin is pumping, patay. Marami nang nahahack na mga alternative coins. Puro FUD last week lang. Silently, the banks are buying Bitcoin ETF providers. This is massive. Why do I say it's massive? Because if the banks are investing to the tune of billions of dollars to buy companies who are buying ETF, halos kaparehas at parehas ng time frame nung nahack ang lahat ng mga air gap type na cold card, nahack ang multiple wallets. You need to go back to the time kung ano ang history ni BlackRock. Assignment nyo yan. Ano ang history ni BlackRock? Bakit napakalaking company nito? Meron ba silang quote-unquote Einstein that can find flaw in a particular algorithm para patayin yung algorithm na buhayin ng kanilang paninda? I-research na yan. For a different topic tayo. That begs the question. Are we going in a bull run where it's now tokenized equities? It's now what BlackRock has said 2024 that they're going to tokenize everything on Earth? Are we now going on that bull direction? And from a total market capitalization where all the alts are included, mukhang hindi na ba sila lilipad? Time to evaluate your positions in your bag.